毎度あり。
Finally dice up a nice white looking onion, pop them off to the side, grab a leek, finally slice it, dice this boy up too. Just the white part of this guy, grab a freshly peeled knobbity knob of ginger and chop him all up. Pop them in a tiny little bowl and then 2 cloves of garlic finely diced, and into the same bowl they go. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and then 6 very full tablespoons of miso. We're using red miso, but you can use whatever you like. And then 100 mils of sake, 3 heaping tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and squish everybody together. Sauce is done, so let's move over to the flame. A tablespoon of oil, and in goes that ginger and garlic, along with all those leeks. Fry off until fragrant, and then in goes 600 grams of pre-cooked chicken meat. If you want to see why this is already cooked, you can double check this video up above. In goes a heaping spoon of Toubanjang, all of those tasty onions, and a good mixity mix together, and then in goes our sauce. Give them a good thorough mix together, and do make sure before you shove all of it in that you take a taste test quickly, because this turned out real salty. And then lastly, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, half of your leeks, and give everybody a cursory mixity mix and you're done. Alrighty, time to plate up, so grab a whole bunch of rice and just pour this boy on top. Then in the center of your lovely mix, make a little divot and then add an egg yolk in there.
すごいすごい。いただきます。
Alright, let's dig in. So this chicken meat is actually left over from our chicken ramen video. Once you've taken out all of that lovely umami, you need to put it back in with something, so miso is perfect for that. So if you have a go at that first, you'll get 2 dishes out of this meat. In terms of tips, all I can say is just try it before you add in all of that sauce, just because it's quite salty. And then secondly, you just want to make sure that you get rid of all of the remaining liquid that's in the bottom of your pan. So just cook until it's evaporated. But other than that, you should be fine. We do this practically every day, so leave us a comment down below telling us what you want to see next. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!